Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got this yummy protein powder and it is so good. Anyone who knows me knows that I love a good protein shake and I'm always searching for really good and different kinds. This one definitely did not disappoint. It is really good and this is going to definitely be on my rotation of protein powders that I use. I love making smoothies and adding protein powders to them, but not all protein powders taste good. But this one, oh, it's so delicious. I really don't even like vanilla protein like that, but this one is so good. My coconut banana smoothie with a hint of vanilla, oh, so amazing. You are gonna love this so much. If you're looking for a really good protein powder that will last you a long time and taste good, this is the one for you. And that's my point of view.